Hey, good morning everybody. This is John from Volkswagen Planet. Today we are down to 4 days remaining, and today has not been a very good day for me, in a lot of pain, but we did get some more, I guess, progress you can say on the bug. But first thing I want to say thank you to Vintage Bugz. He commented and reached out and told me that the turn signals were on backwards. So if you notice on that side should be over here, so we can see more of the lens right here. So want to say thank you again for reaching out for that. Not really, like I said, not really too much to explain or I guess update you guys on. I did weed out a couple more wires. Like this one here, I know where that goes. That goes to the emergency flasher relay, which goes to the switch. Probably going to be wiring up that switch sometime, well, hopefully tomorrow or Friday. But that goes on top of the second stack there, which is already wired into the switch. It seems to be a lot of wires like that, or wires that I've already pre-wired in when I was doing the wire series. You can check that out in the previous videos or in a playlist. But I would say most of these wires, but I'd say probably 10 or 15% of those wires are just all duplicates. I am having a problem with this one wire. Maybe you guys can help me out. And it looks like it has a ground here, which I'm pretty sure goes on the post there, but I can't remember if it does. According to the book, if it is that one, it's got like five different spots it goes to, and I probably spent, I don't know, probably half hour, 45 minutes on this. And if this is the wire, it's all brown, so you can check it up in your manuals as well, but it's all brown. There's no other color in this, which, if it follows pattern, would tell me that this is a ground wire. So is it grounding a bunch of things? I don't know. I've got kind of stuck, but here's my thing. It runs into like 3 or 4 different things. I'm thinking it goes into like the fan switch, and then it comes and drops off. Let's see if I can find it here. Anyways, it just got like 3 or 4 lines that I'm trying to figure that out. A little frustrated there. But again, Vintage Bugz, thanks for commenting about the turn signals. And that's really just about it. I did find another wire, and I swapped it out. It went to the headlight switch. So hopefully we're one step closer there to getting some headlights. But that's about it, guys. And oh, I want to show you something. So even though I'm really, I can't bend over too much and just basically as stiff as a board, what I did do, since I could sit down, was I got all the wires together for, these are all the bulbs and wires that go in back of the your speedometer. So even though I didn't get much done, I did get this all grouped, so I can just come back hopefully tomorrow and say, okay, yellow, this might be, the ignition, or not ignition, this could be like oil, this might be headlight. So I can spend some time in the book, even though I'm not hands-on with this. And I'm really starting to see where the ignition, the turn signal switches are all starting to tie into everything else. Again, this looks like a mess, but half these wires are already wired up, so it's just a process of elimination. Should go quick. I'm really understanding a lot more how these wires follow each other and how they go from like here to like the headlight switch. They all seem to have patterns, and I've got everything labeled, so it may look like I'm really far behind, but I'm really, really right there. And again, guys, with your support, I can't thank you guys enough. You can see my disaster. And that's really all we got to say today. So I'll be working on this some more tonight. So hopefully I can just come out tomorrow and, you know, just do a bunch of plug and play. But I want to say thank you guys again. And as always, guys, God bless you. Have a good day, and we'll catch you on the next video.